Okay, welcome back to Kizzy's Homestead. And today I am going to be making my version of kimchi. And I think I've made so many modifications that I can't really call it kimchi anymore. It's kind of like, I don't know, HouseChi or HouseChi, because I use whatever I have in the house to make it. And I don't put as much red pepper in it because it will light your fire. So this is what we do. The first thing we have to do is we have to prepare the Napa cabbage. Now if you're not familiar with Napa cabbage, let's just give you a quick look at it. This is a Napa cabbage. Okay, I'm in Florida, so you don't find these in every store, so I got this from the Asian store. So the first thing you want to do is you want to take off the leaves that are looking not too happy. Take those off. Okay. And the only reason I'm losing so many leaves of this is because it's been in my refrigerator a while and it's taken me a while to do this video. So once you take off the leaves that are looking a little squidgy, I already rinsed it, but you're going to be washing it several times, so don't worry about it too much. The next thing you want to do is you want to cut it up into like bite-sized pieces, not too small. So I would say the best thing to do is to cut it lengthwise. Depending on the size of your cabbage, you can cut it again one more time this way, or you can just go ahead and start to cut it crosswise. So turn it around, and you want to, I'm going to turn it to the camera so you can see. And I am left-handed, though it may not look like it in this video, but I'm cutting with my right hand now. So you want to cut pieces like this. And if you want to get the authentic recipe, just look up kimchi. There are so many beautiful Korean women, Korean mothers who have their special way of making it. It is a favorite recipe by many. You want to take all these pieces and put them in a bowl, okay? As you go, if you see any more little funny pieces with spots on it or whatever that you don't think, it could be rusting already, just pull those pieces out and keep the good pieces. Okay, I'm going to turn this around with my strong hand. Okay, get this process done a little faster. Use as much of it as you can. Try not to be wasteful. Okay, so after the cabbage is all chopped up in little bite-sized pieces, some pieces can be long, but pieces something like this, it's good size. After it's all chopped up, the next thing you want to do is you want to put salt on it. And you need to use, this is actually some sea salt, coarse sea salt. And I just put quite a bit on there. Don't get scared because we're going to wash this salt off. The whole purpose of the salt is really to help wilt the cabbage. Okay, so we're going to just get it in there pretty good. All right. And after you put the salt in there, the next step is we're going to put some water in it to cover it. Another container on top of your cabbage to try to press it down, encouraging it to wilt, and then I usually put something heavy on top of that, just so you see what I put in there. I have my flour canister that's made of glass, and it's pretty heavy, and we're just going to let it sit right on top of there and press down hard, put some weight on it, on that cabbage. And we're going to just let that sit overnight.